Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra with a very broken display because you can't really interact with it. So let's go fix it. So we have a very bad damage here. The phone itself is not responsive to touch, and it's also riddled with physical damage on the display. So there's no way around it but to replace the display, and that's what our Samsung expert is gonna do on this Galaxy S20 Ultra. We have removed the back cover, and by the looks of it, this is not the first time this smartphone has been opened. So we are going to remove the screws around the cover for the main board, the battery, and the daughter board. So just like any other Samsung flagship, this modern one tends to have easier time when you replace the display, because the display and the housing is in one piece. So when you replace the display, you're also going to replace the housing around the smartphone. So what David is doing here is removing all the components, the main board, the cover for the main board, the cameras, and everything that you can see on this housing is going to be stripped away and transferred to their new home, this new housing / display. So the main board, the battery, and the daughter board are gonna go in first. These are the main components on this smartphone. We are also gonna install the daughter board for the charging. Also gonna connect the connectors for the flex cables, and then we can start screwing in parts of the smartphone. And you can see that we're almost done. So there's no removal of the display itself. There are some repairs that do that step, but here David is gonna just replace the housing, since it's not really that much different than just replacing the display. And your smartphone will look brand new actually when you replace the display with the housing around it. You can see here it's just a different phone if you also replace the color of the display. And that's David. He seems chatty, and we're gonna test it. This display looks amazing, by the way, and it's responsive to touch, unlike how it came in the shop. Unfortunately, we don't have a replacement back cover, so we're gonna reuse this one. It's not really gonna affect the performance of the smartphone, and David has done it. It's good repair, good results, and it's just a few wipes and it's gonna be ready for the client. So if you have any issues like this one, don't hesitate to message us. Leave a comment down below, and I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we're gonna see you again next time. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.